Hello, my name is Caleb Armstrong. I'm going to be talking about the increased deforestation rate in Maine and its negative impact that it's had on Maine. So the reason for the increased deforestation rate in Maine is because of the increased population that has occurred recently. The reason for that increased population is due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, people are moving to Maine because of Maine's low COVID-19 numbers. So they want to live in a place that's a lot safer during the pandemic. So they're hiring realtors and construction companies to have areas of the Maine's forest torn down so that they can have a house built on that newly open land. So trees are a very important part of nature. When a human inhales oxygen, then exhales carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a type of gas that's not good for human beings to breathe in. It's also what's heating up the globe. That's what's causing global warming. Trees take that in and use it for photosynthesis, releasing oxygen in the process, but also storing some carbon dioxide inside themselves. So when a tree is cut down, it releases carbon dioxide that's actually stored. The reason it stores it in the first place is because carbon dioxide helps it grow. So already before this increased rate of deforestation in Maine, there are plenty of species who are already suffering from habitat loss and deforestation, like the grasshopper sparrow, the piping plover, the Hessel hairstreak butterfly. This isn't the Hessel hairstreak, but it's a similar species. It looks very similar to the Hessel hairstreak, but it is a hairstreak species. And the box turtle. And they're just a few of the species that are being affected by deforestation, habitat loss. They're suffering from habitat loss, habitat fragmentation. Their homes are being ripped away, and they're being more confined to smaller areas of their habitat. So it's making it very difficult for them to live their lives. So, now what to do in order to try and stop deforestation here in Maine? Well, raise awareness of the fact that deforestation is increasing here in Maine. Protest. Go outside and plant some trees everywhere. And do what you can to raise awareness of that this is a threat to these species. Thank you.